Greetings, fellow Earthlings. I'm here with Nathan Thompson, the founder of the original or official Flat Earth versus Globe discussion on Facebook. And we are here by a couple bodies of water, and we are about to perform an experiment as well. Here you go, Nathan. How you doing, buddy?
Good. We got 40,000 members in the group. No cursing, no insults. Miguel's going to put out a challenge for all you guys. So $1,000 on the table. Let's see what you got.
Hello, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have $1,000 that I am personally going to give to the first person who can come meet me in Texas. And this is a challenge for you to prove that the oceans wrap around the exterior of a ball. So here we go. We have a ball right here, right? And we have water right here. So this is what's called contained water. Contained water. What contained water is it's contained in a vessel between a wall or a landmass, okay? So contained water, get that in your head, a bathtub, a swimming pool, a lake, or an ocean, they're all contained. How on earth can contained water be not contained on the outside of an object? You get that? I want your gears to start thinking in your minds here. Contained water, how can it simultaneously not be contained on the outside of a ball? We challenge you to prove, go to the nearest lake, meet me in person. Let's come to the lake with a laser, point a laser from this side to the other side, and I challenge you to show me how on earth water can wrap around and show curve on water on the top of standing contained water. Boom. $1,000. Come meet me. Come meet us in the official Flat Earth versus Globe discussion, and I want you to bring your ideas, your evidence, your observable evidence to the table. $1,000 on the table. Come get your money, Globe heads. I dare you.
The horizon always appears perfectly flat 360 degrees around the observer regardless of altitude. All amateur balloon, rocket, plane, and drone footage show a completely flat horizon over 20+ miles high. Only NASA and other government space agencies show curvature in their fake CGI photos and videos. The natural physics of water is to find and maintain its level. If Earth were a giant sphere tilted, wobbling, and hurtling through infinite space, then truly flat, consistently level surfaces would not exist here. But since Earth is in fact an extended flat plane, this fundamental physical property of fluids finding and remaining level is consistent with experience and common sense. Rivers run down to sea level, finding the easiest course, north, south, east, west, and all other intermediary directions over the Earth at the same time. If Earth were truly a spinning ball, then many of these rivers would be impossibly flowing uphill. For example, the Mississippi, in its 3,000 miles, would have to ascend 11 miles before reaching the Gulf of Mexico. One portion of the Nile River flows for 1,000 miles with a fall of only 1 foot. Parts of the West African Congo, according to the supposed inclination and movement of the ball Earth, would be sometimes running uphill and sometimes down. This would also be the case for the Parana, Paraguay, and other long rivers. If Earth were a ball 25,000 miles in circumference, as NASA and modern astronomy claim, spherical trigonometry dictates the surface of all standing water must curve downward an easily measurable 8 inches per mile, multiplied by the square of the distance. This means, along a 6-mile channel of standing water, the Earth would dip 6 feet on either end from the central peak. Every time such experiments have been conducted, however, standing water has proven to be perfectly level.
This is basically the biggest thing you could possibly lie about. The best way to brainwash the whole world is to lie to the whole world about what the world is.
They've stolen our mind from us and stuck us on a cartoon ball.
It is photoshopped, but it has to be.
Everything in the sky revolves around us, just as it appears if you look up and use your own eyes, your own senses. The vanishing point of perspective from your point of view, which is what the horizon line is. It is not the curvature of the Earth, as you've been taught.
They stole your mind. They stole my mind.
You've been fed a false system. You've been shown CGI images with a ball Earth with a horizon that curves.
Of course, you can measure curvature if it actually existed. It's been tested over and over again and found to have no curvature whatsoever.
You've just been lied to and shown pictures, and you believe those. Science, in fact, shows that the Earth is flat and motionless.
Now, one thing I really want your generation to embrace is that the Earth is a closed system. We cannot leave the Earth. There's no place to go.
I just recently gained my mind back. It's flat. That begs the question, hey, what the hell have you been showing us this ball for all this time? What have you been doing with our money? Did you guys go to space? Is evolution actually real? Did you guys just make this shit up? These are the questions we need to be asking.